Morning guys, welcome to Edinburgh. This is day one. We've just had breakfast. We went to the pantry. We've had breakfast at pantry I think 3 years ago, so this was our second time. Absolutely amazing place for breakfast. Now we're walking from the pantry to the castle. So we've got tickets for 12:30 p.m. A tip here is that at 1 p.m. they have firing of the cannon. I hope that's how it's said. It's done every day at the same time for I don't know how many years, maybe hundreds of years. We've booked just the entry ticket. Taking it kind of slow because we've got mum with us and she's not used to walking as much as Dean and I are. The only agenda and plan for today is the castle, and then we're just going to dilly-dally and walk around Edinburgh, do lots of winter shopping. Off we go. That's where we are going to the Edinburgh Castle. So excited, but we keep stopping every few seconds for pictures. We are inside Edinburgh Castle. Yay! How amazing is this? I think I'll put some information down below. Glad that we came on a gloomy day to here in Scotland because I think this architecture absolutely pops. And this kind of weather is my kind of weather. Happy weather. Okay, let's go. I was literally saying that Dean is right now revising for his life in the UK test. Whoa! So I've got myself a Scottish salmon, Dean's got a beef burger, and Mum has got a vegan burger. We are at our first stop. Look at the views at the back. The sun is literally rising on the other side. This is 𝗦ci Farms. We're taking a quick breakfast pit stop over here before we go to the castle and the lakes and all that. Absolutely peaceful and stunning.
Glenfinnan Viaduct. Whatever you do, guys, if you're ever talking about the Glenfinnan Viaduct, do not call it the Harry Potter Bridge. It is the Glenfinnan Viaduct. Skyfall itself was CGI'd onto the side of that mountain.
We are below Mount Nevis. So it's apparently a ski mountain range. As you can see, it's right behind me over there. I almost look like a news reporter. I'm trying to hunt for Mom and Dean. We've stopped here for a lunch break. So we just had lunch. I went to the toilet and now they've vanished. So I don't know where they are. It's an absolutely stunning ski resort, but obviously it's not snowing right now. It's going to slowly start picking up. Apparently it's already snowed up top. So it looks like it's a good season for all the skiers. Reporting from the Highlands. By the way, today is World Mental Health Day, I've just realized, and what a way to be celebrating it. Absolutely peaceful and amazing. I'm so happy. This is the 𝗏𝗏 Castle. You can see that is Loch Ness. Dean, I'm trying to catch up with you. Hold on. So we are here in Loch Ness. Going through the castle. Mama, hi. I've lost Mom and Dean again, so I'm just exploring the castle on my own again. Absolutely stunning. I have spotted them at the bottom over there. I'm enjoying the views on my own. A little bit of solo trip while with family. Oh my god, look at the rainbow! Guys, we are in this small little town in Scotland. I actually did a whole outro that we were done with Scottish Highlands, but now we've stopped in this tiny little quaint little Scottish town having whiskey ice cream. Apparently this is the only place in the world which is licensed to sell alcoholic ice cream, and it's also the smallest distillery in Scotland. I'm going to put all the place names and details all down below, but oh my freaking god, this is absolutely divine. It's single malt whiskey, so good. It's not stopping.
Can't stop.
Absolutely 10 out of 10. Mama doesn't even drink alcohol and she's having it again and again, which means it's actually really good. That's a proper taste test. Dean, wake up. Babe, wake up. Look at the northern lights. Come. I cannot believe the whole sky is filled up. Like, what the heck? Oh my god, I was literally gonna go to sleep. This is a bloody bucket list moment. Oh my god. Morning guys, welcome to day 3?
Day 3.
Technically 4th day. We had a very slow morning, woke up and played 4 in a row.
Which I won all of them.
No you didn't, I won as well. So we are on our way to Holyrood Palace. From what I recall, which we visited many years ago, that they do come visit for a week or two every year in the summers. Part of it is open for public viewing and part of it is still very much where the royal family comes and visits and stays and all that. So it's just a 15 minutes walk from our Airbnb. So we chose to walk and it's a gorgeous day. You can see 𝗏𝗏 mountain range over there as well. Dean is back again to revise for his life in the UK test. He's picking up on Scottish history. Next is Welsh. We've just now finished the tour of Holyrood Palace. You're not allowed to film inside, so obviously got no footage there. But right now we're walking through the ruins of Holyrood Abbey. I think the gloomy sky is adding to the character of this. So these are the ruins of Holyrood Abbey. I think there's some kind of renovation work going on there. This is our second time here. I can tell that I remembered a lot of the history. I don't know, maybe it was the life in the UK test. This vlog almost seems like an unpaid ad for it. Oh my god, it's so windy. Fall colors here are absolutely popping. Holyrood Palace? How amazing is that?
I like it.
5 out of 5?
6 out of 5.
6 out of 5.
Wow.
You?
What a review. 10 on 10.
Me too. So basically, I'm like starter. I'm going to order 𝗦𝗏 malai. Main course, I'm going to chicken gobi. I'm going to mutton pepper fry. We've just finished our lunch and now we are on our way to Carlton Hill. Right there. That's where we are headed to get the views of Edinburgh. Yeah, let's go. Reached on top of Carlton Hill. Mama said she couldn't climb, but she did. So what's the lesson?
Keep trying.
Keep trying. See, don't give up. So proud of you, Mama. Even Lona
For
couldn't
the
have.
helping hand, Mono.
Movie time in Scotland. There's literally no one in the movie theatre. Yay! Morning guys, today is our final morning in Edinburgh. We woke up to a very gloomy, rainy morning here. One of the things a localite had told us is that if you don't like the weather in Edinburgh or in Scotland, give it 5 minutes and the weather is going to change. You sometimes might just see all 4 seasons in a single hour. And look at that. Bright blue skies are out within an hour of heavy downpour. So the plan is to get ready. These two are still playing their 4 in a row. And then we're going to go off to the city center, just stroll about. And then the plan is just to window shop. Just have a relaxing day because we go back to London tomorrow and life is just going to kick in. So the plan is just chill out. Are you both ready?
Yes.
Yes.
To do some damage. Time for some retail therapy. Blue skies again. Look at mom, she's excited. Let's go to TK Maxx. This is the end of the Edinburgh vlog. We had a fabulous time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the vlog. So we're going to spend the last few hours just dilly-dallying. That's about it. Hope you're looking after yourself and your loved ones, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!